Today we'll share this video regarding how to capture eye photographs through a slit lamp. So there are so many ways through which you can capture an eye photograph using a slit lamp, and the first and the intuitive one comes out to be photo slit lamp. But they have their own nuances and limitations. First of all, the photo slit lamps are pretty expensive. Secondly, they don't provide you with the flexibility of a desirable camera. The camera which is provided by the manufacturer is fixed and usually having a lower resolution than the current market trend. Thirdly, they are dependent on the software which is also provided by the manufacturer, and it has own limitations especially regarding the sharing problems. So the other option are using a mobile phone camera to be aligned to the optics of the slit lamp to capture a photograph, but this requires a very steady hand, a cooperative patient, and alignment which is not disturbed. And it becomes a problem especially when you are capturing a video, because it can still be captured in a nick of a time, but otherwise the video will have those disturbances because of the poor alignment and shakiness of the hand. And at the same time one has to take care the patient is also cooperating, so that becomes little difficult. So the third option comes in, which is using a mobile phone camera with a slit lamp adapter. Now this is a web page, it's a publication which shares about numerous such adapters which are available in the market, and they range from something like $50 to $500, approximately coming out to be something like 7,000 to more than 50,000 rupees, and they are from good companies, so one can use them. And the fourth option which I am offering, which I am using regularly for my own presentations, is using a slit lamp adapter which has been designed and made by me, and I am ready to share that how you can also use it. So it's a very basic setup where a cylinder which has been casted and designed to fit the optics of a popular brand of slit lamp, and this is basically adhered to a phone cover which is suitable for any particular phone which you are using. And here, when the phone is kept into the cover and this adapter is fixed onto the slit lamp optic, it is aligned to the camera, you can simply open your camera application and capture the photograph using the magnification and illumination of the slit lamp. This is a 3D design which has been designed by myself, and this is the 3D print out of the same design, and this is available as a soft copy. This is known as a STL file which can be simply sent to a person who can provide you with a 3D print, and for me it has costed me something like 200 rupees including the courier when I had got it printed from one of the popular online 3D printing service in India. So this is a 3D designed adapter. It is very lightweight and it is printed with a 3D printer which can be used, and it is can be shared. The size of this particular adapter can be changed, and the best part is that if you contact me through the given email, I can send you a soft copy for the same, and you can use it for your own purpose. These are few of the photographs which I have captured using this slit lamp adapter. Here we have a photograph of a posterior capsule which has been shattered by using a YAG laser for treating the posterior capsular opacification. And as you can see, it's a wonderful photograph which shows the retroillumination and the translucent and opaque shattered posterior capsule opacification. This is another such photograph which captures the retroillumination photograph of an eye which has a posterior capsular opacification with a PCIOL in place. We can appreciate the arsenic pearl type of PCO in this case. This is one interesting photograph where the pupil is triangular, and this patient had other eye which had a coloboma of the iris and choroid, and here we had an incomplete, rather aborted coloboma where just the pupillary sphincter is a little weak, that's all. This is the surface photograph of sclera showing episcleritis, and we can appreciate the clarity and the crispness of the color and the color reproduction, which is very accurate, and this is something which I cannot capture with a photo slit lamp which I have used in past. This is one interesting video which I would like to share with you, which is again captured using the same adapter, and you can appreciate the steadiness of the camera, which doesn't provide any shakiness to the view. And here we can see a IOL which has been there in the bag, which is shaking with each movement of the eye. Now this is my email address where I would like you to leave me an email so that I can share the file, the STL file, which can be sent to a service which can provide you a 3D print, and you can yourself get yourself adapter for the same, and you can simply use this to be glued onto a cover as I have shown, and can be used for capturing photograph and video using a slit lamp. Thank you.